OCO. Today I'm doing something new that I haven't done before. Once again, I am going to clean my 9mm. It is a Taurus 709 Slim. I absolutely love this pistol. It fits my hand really good. It's just a sweet little pistol. If you're a female and you're looking for a 9mm, I really recommend this one. Like I said, it is the Slim, and women tend to have smaller hands, obviously, and you really need to try it. I really like it. But anyway, I'm going to take it apart, and I already cleaned it, and I was like, dang it, I should have done this on video, because that's the first time I've ever taken a pistol apart. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I did it, so hang on and we'll get to it. Okay, before we get into the cleaning, I wanted to show you something else. I do have my concealed carry, and when I am carrying, I do like to use the self-defense rounds. So I'm using the Browning 9mm personal defense rounds, and I got this little speed loader off eBay, and it is wonderful because when you don't have the speed loader, my clips hold 7, but when you don't have the speed loader, the first one's not that bad, obviously, but the further you get down, it gets pretty difficult to put these bullets in here. But with this little speed loader, you just set it on top of there. You take your round, you push this down, put it in, and then you pull up on this. And so I don't hope you've seen that. Pull up on that, push your bullet the rest of the way in, and then repeat. Pull down, put your shell in, up, repeat, and you do that until it's full. I'm not gonna make you watch every time I do that, but I just wanted to show that to you and show you how easy the speed loader is and how easy it is to reload your cartridges. I do have 2 cartridges. One other thing, when you have your cartridge completely full, if you'll take it and you'll just hit it on your palm like that, it just helps the cartridge. It helps all the shells go back to where they belong. And I just thought I would show you that. Okay, on to with the other part. Okay, well, I'm doing this for a 3rd time because last video didn't take, but obviously I need to practice anyways. So there is a clip or a little button right here on this side, and there's also one on this side. What you're going to do is pull this back just a little bit, push those little buttons down, and then you're going to have to pull your trigger, so make sure your gun's empty, and then it slides off just like that. Easy peasy. Next thing you want to do is there's a little spring right here. You want to take this spring out. Comes out really easy, and then you can take out the barrel. Okay, what I did is I had a bunch of these little cloths here, and I cleaned the inside here really good. I just took these cloths with my cleaner and I cleaned it, and then I took my barrel, and I had a gun cleaning kit. Actually, it's my husband's, but I took this, and there's an extender that goes on here, and I already put it away. But anyway, you take that and you put it all the way through, and then you just pull it out and you clean that. Then you take this part and you clean all these pieces in here, clean all of that, and as you can tell, it was pretty dirty. I shot several rounds through it, so it was pretty nasty. And then after you get all of that clean, well, I took this and right here, and on the 2 slides, right here and right here, I just put a drop of oil. To put it back together, you take the top piece, and I got the 2 ends like that, and then you take your barrel and you put it back in there, slide it back, and then the spring, the big end of the spring goes in there, and then there's I don't know if you can see it, but right here is a little bitty slot, and the end of the spring will sit in that slot. So just kind of pull it back. And of course it's going to give me fits. It didn't do that in the other video. Of course it wasn't recording, so yeah. Come on. Oh, make sure I got it in the front. Make sure my barrel's up there. And it really wasn't this hard the first time or the second time. Come on. What am I doing wrong here? I'm sorry, I know my hands are in the way. Y'all can't even see. Let me make sure I got that in there right. Take that out. Try it again. There we go. Now it's in that little groove there. So that's all back together. And then what you do is you take this and these two little grooves right here, you line them up and you slide it on there, pull it back, and voila, it's back together. One clean Taurus 709 Slim. Awesome. Thanks for joining me in how I took it apart, how I explained I'm cleaning it. If you've never done it before, hopefully that helps. Till next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.